Wait, say peace like the sign peace.
Peace.
Say peace like PP. The
Peace.
P. Okay. And say peace like pissed off.
Peace.
Okay, so the three of them now, and let me hear.
Peace, peace, peace.
So here am I on a date with myself.
Yes, yes. Je mama, je mama, je mama.
Went to parent teachers meeting, and I must say that I walked into meeting with a heavy heart.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here, and as you guys can see, I am sweating. I'm tired, but the end result is always the main focus. So Babe and I just got a little workout in. Super proud of Babe. It's the first full week for Babe. Complete his 4 days workout. So I give Babe a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off, back Thursday, Friday schedule, and we stick to it, and he did it. Starting is always the hardest part. No matter how you try to convince yourself that you're not ready, and once you get to that starting point, then everything else can only get easier from there. Babe always tell me that, honey, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, but he never really gets around to do it. Or when he start, he would do one day and then he will never get another day in. Or he would tell me, honey, I am not a morning person, I'll work out in the evening. I would let him to do his own thing. Okay, you're not a morning person, I won't force you to. But I realized that in the evenings when we get home, he's so tired, he's so exhausted. He can't work out, or if he does get the workout in, he eats late, like 9 o'clock, so that defeats the purpose of working out, and he ended up going to bed late. So I'm like, okay, at this point things are getting a little bit out of hand, and we need to snip it in the butt before it gets where we don't want it to get. So I'm like, okay, you don't have a choice anymore. Whether you're not a morning person or not, you're gonna make yourself into a morning person, and I'll alter my program just to facilitate you, to be there for you along the way. So you know, I'm a go hard in the morning kind of person. So now I have to slow things down a bit so that I can work with him and do things on his pace, and we'll find a way so that we can work together to meet in the middle. So I don't mind, as long as I am still getting a little workout in, just to facilitate Babe. So I'm super proud, super proud of Babe for sticking with me and waking up with me 5:30 in the morning and getting his workout done before he goes to work in the morning. I know that's not easy, but that's his only option right now. And I'm so proud of him. This is week 1 and he did amazing. He suffered through it, he felt the pain through it, but he stick through it, and that's most important. So if you're contemplating or always negotiating or always debating that you're going to start and don't start, just start. Get somebody who motivates you. Get an accountability partner that holds you accountable for doing what you're supposed to do, and that will go a long way. So I'm super proud of you, Babe. If you ever see this, which I know you really don't watch the vlogs, but I'll tell you, of course, and I've been telling you that I'm proud of you for sticking through it. So that's week 1 for Babe. Now it's a school morning, so I am going to go jump into the shower, prepare my kids breakfast, and pick them up and get them ready for school. So have a good day, whatever it is that you're doing today. It will be a busy day for me. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. I have a few errands to run today, so I'll be out and about. So stick and stay and come along with me as I get through my day with the fam bam. Subscribe if you're new, of course, and give this video a thumbs up. Catch up on TV, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what Babe and I did this morning. Just a little something. Here we go.
It's time for my babies. She's sleep eating. Say good morning. Mouthful. Sarah, say good morning. Good job. You know, she not give up the opportunity to say what go on. Alright, eat up. What are you eating?
Porridge.
Sarah, what are you eating?
Porridge.
Very good. Off to school we go. Ready to have a good day? And be great at school? Awesome. Sarah, ready to eat up all of your lunch at canteen?
Yeah.
Very good. And pas de?
Yeah.
Bêtises. And you're gonna fail her?
Yes.
Very good. You're gonna take a nap, okay? Okay. And no naughty. Okay?
Okay.
And no crying. Okay?
Okay.
Very
and you're
good.
gonna eat that. You're gonna eat that.
Where are you gonna eat? You're gonna eat at? You're gonna eat at canteen?
Yeah.
Yeah. All of your lunch, okay? Okay?
I didn't even look at the menu to see what.
We're gonna look. We always look in the mornings. Town early in the morning. I drop my babies to school. I'm in town because I have an appointment to go to, going to the optician, me and Babe, in about an hour and a half, so I have some time to kill. Good thing is I'm already here, so I'm gonna hop on the train, not the train, the tram with Tashika to go to a shop just down the street. She's gonna buy something and then I'll come back and probably head to Starbucks or chill a bit before my appointment. So Tashika is on the tram right now coming, so when it gets here I'll just go on it and she and I will head to the shops. A whole different side of Nice that I've never been, and look who bring me. Look who bring me. You guys, look how she's sexy. Look at this baby mother. Go on with your bad self. Go on. You guys see her? You see her on the road? I have to be her security today.
Really?
Yeah, girl. Let me show you guys my baby with our pretty. With our pretty say morning. Say no, too much sun in face. Too much sun in face. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys, I don't know where Tashika carrying me to.
We are going into
But she going supermarket. So I'm following behind her PP clock until I don't feel like following no more. Until I don't feel like following no more. So which way is it? Oh, Interracial, see that? Well, I've never been on this side of Nice. I have no business down here, so I've never been. Never been. It's a few tram stops after the train station, but I have no business after the train station. So I've never. But down here look nice.
Yes, it's very pretty. There's a school in front
Down here
there.
look nice.
That's where Amori started to go first when he came.
Really?
And then further up, you see where the houses be up there?
Uh-huh.
That's where Pussy Cow is. Where you doing your farm master's and
No thank you. Wow, look on pizza. This is French pizza, which I dislike. You'll never catch me eating these. My husband would go crazy over this fromage blanc. You guys, and is these things they're giving my daughter at school. You think Sarah gonna eat that? Never. With the big olives. Oh, Sarah would never eat that. Up we go. Hey mama, hey, look like your daddy bad. Give me the smile again. Let me catch it. Let me catch. Yes, yes. Show mama, show mama, show mama. Yes, you look like your daddy. You look like your daddy. Yes, you look like your daddy. You have nothing for mommy. Yes. That's what I say. Cut your hair all you want. You want me to bite you? You want me to bite you? You want me to bite? Cuss if you're bad. 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 You're bad. You bad. You bad. You bad. You bad. Oh, you're not bad. You're not bad. You're not bad. You're not bad.
Vous voulez vanille plus caramel plus pumpkin spice.
Oui, et le crème fouettée aussi. Et j'ai vu en
caramel.
Oui.
D'accord.
Et j'ai vu un gâteau carotte. I'm at Starbucks, you guys.
Un prénom s'il vous plaît.
Melissa.
Ce sera sur place ou emporté?
Sur place.
Alors 10,50.
Okay. So here am I on a date with myself at Starbucks. Having a carrot cake and the iced coffee. Nice treat before I head back home. So you guys, I just went to the optician with babe. But baby's gone back to the office and I'm heading home. But before I head home, I'm gonna have a nice little treat. And then I head home because I have to get home and get some stuff done. So I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my coffee a bit. Starbucks that I always come to. It's in the middle of the mall and I love coming here. It's a really nice mall, huge, very big. Now I'm heading out to go catch the tram. Hi you guys, I'm back in my peace and quiet. That Starbucks satisfied my soul, okay? I got my Starbucks pep and it felt good. Now I'm back home and I have just roughly about 3.5 hours before it's time to go pick up the kids. Can you imagine? Lie, not to go pick up the kids, to go to parent-teachers meeting. Both kids have parent-teachers meeting today. Sarah won't start at 4:30, Tyler won't start at 5 o'clock. So only one parent can go to each child's meeting. Well, babe, if two allowed, then babe could come with me and probably leave and then go to Tyler on. but only one parent is allowed to go and we can't go with the kids. So in that case, I am going to Sarah's meeting, Papa will go to Tyler's meeting, and we put both of them in aftercare until 6 o'clock. Both meetings will finish at 6, so we'll be just in time to pick up the kids from aftercare when the meeting is finished. So that's what's happening. So to make my family not hungry when they get home, I need to make sure that food is here. So I am going to throw some chicken in the oven while I'm making my lunch, so that when I get back, all those hungry mouths will be able to be fed. All those hungry mouths will be able to feed. And there is a little rice and broccoli and cauliflower in the fridge. And I can make some salad for Babe and I with the chicken. And then we'll have dinner. A quick fresh up and a quick outfit change, and I'm on my way to parent teachers meeting. So I'll tell you guys all about it when I get back. So here we go, here about my girl first, what is it, first full week. So I'll tell you guys all about it later. Babe should be on his way because he have Tyler on to go to also. So see you guys later.
In the middle of all of this, you have a Jamaican girl. Born Moss. She died in 2017. She was born in 10 of March 19.
Your soulmate or something like this. Come sing the song. Na, 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 na,
God, God save our gracious King. Gracious King, the songs. No? Gracious looks more female. Well, God save our noble King. A child deserves
they
that
sing
song.
about Burger King instead of
a child deserves Noble King. He didn't do anything yet to deserve Noble King.
Who said anything about Noble King?
The song. God
Say something about
save our Noble King.
Me only know about God save our King. I don't know about Noble.
God save
Anyway,
the Queen, born to reign over
a child is
us.
coming. I hear one of my kids are open. I'm going to go down and see.
So
He's gone in the toilet. Something like that. So until Babe come back, the Queen has passed on. Or Queen, it's the Jamaican Queen, yes. As much as how you guys don't want to accept it because of past history, she's still the Queen of the CARICOM, and Jamaica is a part of the CARICOM, of the Commonwealth. Yeah, so she's the Queen of the Commonwealth. She was the Queen of the Commonwealth, so she was the Queen of Jamaica. So Jamaica should mourn just as so every other Commonwealth country and UK is mourning. I love her though. I love her. I always follow the royal family, and I love her because of her elegance. I love how she stands out whenever she's in public. Her outfits always get me. I always look forward to see what she's wearing. Love her little hats. Love her little matching handbags and her little dresses. They're always just so cute. I love her. Anyway, that woman live a long life, a long, full life. So it's time for her to rest. At least she's going to be with her husband, wherever that is. Good for them. May her soul rest in peace. They brought the news to me yesterday. What was I doing? And babe said, look, my phone, it popped up, and then it popped up on mine.
Yeah, I have faster phone. It's just the news, just no violence, too much violence. Yeah, too much violence in this stereo from Jamaica.
So we have to say Jamaica.
No.
Stereotype. But it's kind of true still.
A beautiful island with coconut tree and palm tree. No gun, no violence, nothing.
Don't even go there roasting my country right now, because I'll just start roasting you right back.
I just say good things.
Shut up. Don't say anything else.
Mango tree.
Yes, and fish and ackee and sawfish.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, you guys, if I follow babe, I'll be here ranting for 10 minutes and then I'll have to edit all that. I'm not into that. But anyway, honey, please, let's end the vlog in peace.
That's what we're doing right now.
Went to parent teachers meeting, and I must say that I walked into meeting with a heavy heart. Honestly, I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I did not know what to expect. I was going to the meeting hearing that Sarah this, Sarah that, but Sarah showed out and Sarah made mama proud. Her first 2 days was of course hard, but her teacher literally tried to convince me. She literally says, I would not lie to you. C'est vraiment, vraiment, vraiment. She was really trying to convince me that Sarah now nap on her own at nap time. Sarah eat her lunch at canteen. Can you believe that? Sarah sit in class when it's time to sit. Sarah play when it's time to play. Sarah is nice in class with everybody. Can you imagine?
You make parent proud.
It makes me so happy when I heard that. She says Sarah is now settled, and Sarah now is not the Sarah Friday and Monday.
She's a fast train.
So parent teachers meeting was basically just giving us a rundown of what their school year would be like, and they'll be doing a lot, but I'm excited because that means that she'll grow. She will start speaking more French and she will have friends and she'll grow so much. I'm so looking forward to that. How was Tyler meeting?
Same thing. Tyler meeting always good. So it's the same thing. They present the year and yeah, basically all the program, all what they're gonna do, extra school, and just had the time to ask to the teacher how is Tyler in class. Is everything fine? She said perfect.
That's Tyler for you. No surprise.
We don't really worry.
But I'm happy I get to experience parent teachers meeting on my own. So that was good. But I'm tired. Can you guys tell? I'm ready to sleep. So we're just gonna end the vlog here. The kids are already in bed. I was here catching up with the royal family history. But it's time to peace out for today. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the bam bam. Catch up and keep up. And of course we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
Chop chop.
Violence. Full of violence.
Now you asked me if I'm coming from Jamaica.
Peace.
Peace or peace? Which one do you want to do?
Peace.
That's still do. Come
no,
on.
sir.
Come here.
No, sir.
Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit.
And I trust you, you know?
Okay, I'm gonna give you 3 words to say.
Peace.
Wait. Say peace. Like the sign peace.
Peace.
Say peace like pee-pee. The
Peace.
P. Okay. And say peace like pissed off.
Peace.
Okay, so the three of them now, and let me hear.
Peace, peace, peace.
Which one is this?
I'm pissed.
Honey,
when I
wait.
peace, not in peace.
Wait, not this one is not peace.
I am pissed
Wait.
when I go to peace, not in peace.
Okay, that's better. That sounds very good. Say that again.
I'm pissed when I'm going to peace, not in peace.
Okay. Say good night, Philippines. I'm gonna tell her tomorrow. Oh my god. But she hurts. I'm pissed when I go to peace, not in peace. You can have little smarts in you.